Hi, Jessica here. Let's talk about the advanced feature under the data tab in the sort and filter group, the advanced. Now, one of the things that the advanced can do for you is allow you to set up the or condition and the and condition. I know a little confusing there, but let's take a look at what I have written out here. And we're going to take and do this in a moment, but I want to explain it first so we have hopefully a better idea how this feature works. Maybe a coworker or a manager coming to you and asking you to use Excel to find the answer to this question. So the question here is, which employees that work 40 hours a week are receiving $15 an hour? That's their pay rate. So can you pull all the records of individuals that fall within that structure of the question? You'll notice they have a pay rate. Different ones have different pay rates. And then, of course, the hours they worked for that particular time period. If you look a little further down, maybe the question becomes a little broader, and this is where the advanced filter really kicks in to show some of its power. Notice here another question. Well, we would like to yes, no, basically the same question we had up above. We have employees that work 40 hours a week and they make $15 as their pay rate. With that, we also want to have all of the employees that work 40 hours a week that make $23 an hour. So we're looking for both of these. So the structure you'll notice here at the top, when they're both side by side, that is an and condition. When they are underneath each other, we are using the and condition with one record, but we're asking for, and this is where the or comes in, we would like all of the records that meet this criteria, 40 hours and $15, or we want all the records where it is 40 hours and $23 pay rate. So that way we're getting two groups of individuals, the individuals with 40 and 15 and 40 and 23. So let's give it a shot and see how we can make this work. So to keep the video short, I've already copied these items over. But basically, what I've done is what you would do. You would take the headings, copy the headings over here. You'll notice I have hour and pay rate. We copy them, put them up at the top so we're ready. And then we can copy the item in the column underneath the appropriate heading. So as we mentioned before, this is an and condition. So I'm going to click in the data here. I'm going to click on the advanced. Click, and we want to filter. This is our and condition. We want to filter based on that information we've structured. So we click OK. And notice that we're only getting 40 hours and the pay rate is only 15. This record and this. So all the people that have these two items are in this list and nobody else. We're going to clear that. Go up to the top, clear. Now we're going to try the second one. Remember, the second one is actually two ands creating the or condition. Criteria range is what we want to select. So we select those items. Now notice I am selecting the heading. And there we open it back up. We click OK. And now you'll notice I have 40 hours all the way down because both conditions are asking for 40 hours. But I'm asking for the pay rate of 15 and also the pay rate of 23. So there you go, an advanced filter. Have a great day.